again, and we are back with the part 2 of our previous episode with Megha Narang and Meghna Bose, who are the founders of M&M Events, and this is your very own Dr. Payal Verma, and today we are once again bringing to you Starlight with Payal Verma, co-sponsored by Amber, which is a charitable trust and believes in spreading wellness and has a holistic approach towards wellness and spreading it in the society. So welcome once again, and welcome to the studio, Megha and Meghna. Once again, we have the pleasure of having both of you. We had a lovely part 1 to this podcast, and believe me, I really got a very good feedback, because I actually got people asking me certain questions, which I will during the show. मैं वो questions directly in beautiful ladies से पूछूंगी. So before I start, let me tell you one thing. Last time I had addressed them as the power duo, and इसका आंसर अगर आपने part 1 मिस किया है, please go and watch our part 1 on Instagram, Payal Verma the official, as well as जो इनके followers हैं, आपको इनके पेज पे भी दिख जाएगा. And you can follow my YouTube channel, Evolve with Payal Verma. वहाँ पे भी part 1 आप view कर सकते हैं, अपने questions भेज सकते हैं, and अपने likes, shares, comments भेज सकते हैं. And with that, we begin our part 2. So I will come straight away to a particular question. See, I got so many questions from viewers. कुछ उनमें से मैं आज address करूँगी, and I want that you should be addressing the viewers with it. So one question that I got was that we spoke a lot about M&M doing all kinds of events. You are from weddings करते हो आप लोग, and that's your, I think, forte also.
Right.
So weddings करते हो, you said आप birthday parties करते हो, engagements, something like silver jubilee of a wedding on, golden jubilee. And so I got this question that do you also plan smaller events for a group of ladies, something like they wanted to know kitty parties होती हैं. Are you aware of that?
Yes.
Yes. So क्या kitty parties आप कर सकते हो? So this is one of the question viewers जिसने पूछा था ये. They are here to answer. So yes, please let us know कि kitty parties को interesting बना सकते हो. It's the same boring one, ना? होटल चले जाओ, खा लो and come back. So I got this question from one of the followers. So they told me to ask you this question. So kitty parties को क्या, do you or do you not plan?
Surely, all kinds of events are welcome. We do kitty parties also.
Yes. Alright.
Yeah.
So आपने मतलब, do you have an experience of having done one? Because I was very intrigued with the question. kitty party कितनी interesting होगी? Event planners उसको
Actually, we've done it on a personal level. So
yeah.
once we've done it on the personal level, we got the confidence that yes, why not plan an event also like this? Like if somebody is interested in having a kiddie party, or somebody is interested in having a girls' day out, that kind of a thing. So anything, and we can make it really interesting with a lot of themes and
many ideas like that. Like the one which is trending now is a
I heard something about supper something,
supper club.
What you yes.
Yeah.
So what is this supper club? Matlab, I heard this term for the first time. A friend of mine asked me that supper club. I said, what is this now?
It's a new thing. It's very exciting. You invite people to your house if you have a bigger house, or you book a place and you entertain them with food. You talk about food. You serve them. There are like courses of meals you serve them, and you talk about those meals, whatever you're serving, and where have you sourced it from, like that. And then there'll be music, there'll be games. It's like a lot of fun.
Supper club.
So
आपने कभी as an event planner, have you ever done this for any of your clients?
We are going to.
You
already have
a booking
yes,
for that.
We already have in September. We are going to do
this
that.
This is so interesting. So this is only for people who will be cooking meals and then serving it there?
Yes.
Right.
People who enjoy.
It's a group which is जहाँ पे सब are going to prepare something.
No, it's not like that. So Megha, I think you can clarify.
Yeah, it's somebody like, say suppose you love cooking,
right,
and you want to entertain people, you want to call them home.
Okay.
And if you don't have a a place to entertain 15 to 20 guests. It's
Correct.
not possible
It's not
to call them
easy
home.
yeah.
So you book a place,
Okay.
you call them there, you prepare all the meals, whatever you want to.
Okay.
And then you have little notes about what you have cooked and how you have cooked and what goes in there and where you have sourced those things from. So
Okay.
it's exciting, and it's like you start the conversation also with whatever you are serving them.
Correct, correct.
And then you make them play little games, and then you give giveaways, and then
Oh.
there's music. So there's a
It's
whole
so
lot of things.
different.
Yeah.
मेरे ख्याल से तो like I will want to bring this out, like this is a new concept for me also.
Yeah.
So I feel that this can be, there are many homemakers
Yes,
जो
correct.
and who are they prepare meals at home and they are actually serving corporates.
Yes.
तो उनकी meals जाती हैं या उनका home cooking है.
Yeah.
So they serve meals, they do small parties.
Correct.
I think this is a very good interactive program.
Absolutely.
It's like a PR program which can be
Yes.
done,
Yeah.
arranged for. So like I know many people जिनका home cooking है and they are like small time into catering.
Yes.
So I think for them something like this is
Yeah.
going to boost their business. What do you
Yes,
say?
basically for women who have cloud kitchens, they want to
Yeah.
promote
Yes,
their
cloud
work, they
kitchens.
want to promote their food, the way
Exactly.
they cook it.
So this
So
is
this is a nice
Yeah,
way
and,
of
and they
doing
are
it.
team based also. Suppose
Yes.
you want to call them home for Bengali food.
Yes.
So
Oh.
prepare just Bengali food. And
तो ऐसे इवेंट प्लानर्स आप उस चीज को क्या क्या उसका हैंडल कर लोगे इस सफर
Everything A to Z,
Everything.
A to Z, from booking place to getting the things
All
arranged,
right.
getting her probably if it's
Music.
music, games, prizes,
all right.
everything.
So this can also we can have let the viewers know that like आप प्लानिंग करोगे तो क्या ये exorbitant हो जाएगा, expensive हो जाएगा बहुत?
No, this
Because
is-
देखिए
yeah.
somebody may not want to spend a lot of money but wants to do promotion.
Yes.
कि मेरे business का say it's a homemaker is also into home cooking, cloud kitchen.
Yeah.
तो maybe she will not have that much of resources कि मैं इतना ज़्यादा spend करूँ. तो क्या ये
this is the
मैंने mediocre budget में भी arrange हो सकता है?
the whole idea is
Yeah.
that only people having small budgets and
Wow.
they want to entertain people, but with smaller budgets you can do.
And marketing.
Yes.
आपकी खाने की marketing. Wow. So
Correct.
kudos. It's a very good concept.
Yeah, it is.
और मेरे को भी मुझे भी पता चला इस बार कि कुछ ऐसा बोल supper club.
Supper club.
Oh, that's lovely. So with that I come to another question which somebody sent me personally. In fact, I got this message. So they were asking that you also curate any kind of event. No
Yes.
specific event, any kind of event out of Kolkata city आप करते हो?
Of course.
So any other, say if it's a remote place, they have a Marwari wedding or something,
Mhm.
तो वो बिल्कुल they go to the native
Yes.
place and they do it.
Yes.
So they wanted to know that like
Yes,
it
it's
was a long
possible.
question that ma'am ये हो सकता है, so I just wrote a short form of it. That do you plan events, weddings or any kind of ceremony? बहुत कुछ होता है इनका मुंडन,
Yeah.
जनेऊ and all
Yes,
that stuff.
yes, yes.
Is
We
that
are
done
doing
outside Kolkata? Can you?
Absolutely.
So what is क्या आप उसमें क्या manage करोगे, थोड़ा viewers को बता दीजिए.
So it's
From
like,
what to what will be
it's
taken care?
like अगर wedding है तो wedding में तो there are so many variables, no? There are photographers, there are DJ, there is choreographer, there is if you want caterer, the F&B
Right.
part is there, then there is the venue itself, then there is small things like क्या giveaway देना है, क्या gift करना